Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the do not disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message do not disturb mode on. The icon will get highlighted, change the color, and I believe if you go back to watch face, no, never mind. Usually there's also icon on the watch face, but on this watch there's not here. There's not icon here. So basically, if you want to check if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, you can simply open the quick panel and the icon will be highlighted. Okay, and if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off, and the icon will go back to the gray color. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So you can press the side button, find the settings icon and tap on it. Here find the option called quiet modes and then tap on it, and then find the Do Not Disturb. And to enable it, tap on it, on the switch rather, to switch it to on, and if you want to disable it, tap on it to switch it to off. And once you're done, of course, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.